Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to do numbering in Microsoft Word. There really are some nuances here, so watch this video to the end, and you will easily learn how to do numbering from any page of the document. If this video seems too fast or slow to you, then you can easily choose the playback speed that suits you. And if you want to watch videos without sound, then just turn on subtitles. I wish you a pleasant viewing. So, I go to the Insert tab and click on this icon. Here I can choose the location of the number on the page, as well as the style of its design. The choice is quite wide, but I am interested in a more classic version, in which the number is placed in the center at the bottom of the sheet. So I click on it. The numbers were put down. Now I have activated the header and footer settings mode. I can manually change the position of the number on the page and use the standard set of tools for editing it, and all changes are automatically applied to the entire numbering of the document. Soon I will return to the header and footer settings mode, but for now I will close it by double-clicking on the free area on the page. Done. Pay attention. All numbers are gray. But you don't have to worry about it. After all, if you want to print a document, the color will still be black. Also, the numbering can be easily removed. For this I double-click on the number, then select it and press the delete key. And now friends will be the most interesting. How to make the numbering start from the third page. I place the cursor at the end of the first sheet, then go to the Layout tab and select Next Page in the break parameters. I do the same with the second page. After these actions, my text moved a little. Now I'll show you why this happened. I go to the Home tab and click on this icon. Now I have displayed all the hidden symbols. This is what the page break I just added looks like. This means that now you can set some individual numbering settings here that will not affect the rest of the document, which is exactly what I need. And this is what spaces look like. I'll just highlight them and delete them to restore the previous appearance of the page. This was additional information that may be useful to you. Now I'm going to start numbering. This time I place the mouse cursor on the third page. Then I click on the icon page number. And I choose this item. Here I specify the number from which the numbering of the document should begin. I put the number 3. And I do all the same things that I showed you at the very beginning of the lesson. That's it, the numbering has been put down. Now I can remove the numbers of the first 2 pages. To do this, I select the page number and in the upper part of the working window I put a check mark in the item called Different First Page. The number disappeared. In the same way I remove the number from the second sheet. As you can see, I managed to do the numbering from the third page and leave the first and second without a number. If I hadn't inserted page breaks, then I wouldn't have succeeded. Unfortunately, Word developers have not come up with a more convenient way of numbering pages. Therefore, use the page break tool and do not forget about the item Different First Page. If, after numbering, you turned out so that the number was put down only on the first page or vice versa, on all pages except the first, then this is most likely due to the fact that you are using this option incorrectly depending on your situation. Try to check or uncheck here and perform the numbering again. All the problems that you may have are related to this item. I hope that now you will definitely be able to figure out this task and create numbering suitable for your document. This is the end of the lesson. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel in order to further master Microsoft Office programs. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.